In this section we'll be looking at setting out levels using a piece of equipment called a dumpy level. This piece of equipment is called the measuring staff. To read the measuring staff, first of all find the large number. We look through the lens of the automatic level using the crosshairs and it will land across this bar. To read it, this is for example 1.4 metres here and it sits on this line. It then goes up in centimetre values, so we've got 1.4, 1.41, 1.42, 1.43, 1.44, 1.45. That covers all the way through to the next rounded number of 1.5. In this section we're going to level 2 pegs over a larger distance. To do that I'm going to look through the automatic level and take a reading from the measuring staff on the other side. I'm going to be reading the middle hair only. The reading is 1.315. Now we're going to move to the next peg and focus on the next spot. So move the automatic level, just the head, being careful not to move the tripod. Find the target and use this knob to refocus. The reading here using the middle hair is 1.315, so we know that those 2 pegs are level with each other. Once you've finished with the equipment, it's important to wipe it down if it's wet, store it appropriately in a padded box and then lock it away somewhere safe. In this section we'll look at methods of setting out levels using a piece of equipment called a laser level. So get the laser level and attach it onto the tripod using the pin underneath. Screw that in nice and tight so that it's firm. We need to look at the windows on the laser level and make sure it's level. We can level the laser level using the knobs, getting the bubble in between the lines. If the level is not made level, then it could give an inaccurate reading. Now take the receiver and attach it to the measuring staff. Attach it onto the front and tighten to secure in place. When it comes to using the laser level, you must wear protective goggles. Turn both the receiver on and the laser level. The top of the laser level will start to spin. Now we're going to check the same 2 pegs for level using the laser level. On the first peg, I'm going to move the receiver until it engages with the laser level that's spinning. Once we get a flat line noise, that means that we're level. Once you're level, tighten up. We now take a reading and it sits at 1.415 and then move over to the next peg. Now we come to the second peg. And make sure that we get a level reading. So again, it sits at 1.415. If you come across a problem when setting out levels, make sure you stop straight away and speak to the site manager or the designer to get clarification. Not doing so could lead to future problems and loss of earnings on the job. Once the lasers stop spinning, goggles can be removed. Ensure they go back into the container with the rest of the equipment. The receiver can be removed. The laser level can also be removed and stored in the appropriate container.